Who the fuck ate my last piece of fried chicken? I think it was you. Bring your ass here! I'm tired of this shit! You motherfuckers will pay for this. Who ate my fucking chicken? I'm about to blow this bitch up! I'm trying to see how tender this bitch is. Look at that, it just fell right off the bone. Who cooked this? You told her to go get her big brother. Oh, don't run now, motherfucker! Bring your ass here! So, tell me why this bullshit happened today. Man, what the fuck? Listen, you stupid bitch. It's three things you got. Me,